This year for the Water Festival with WURKZ, we make win cash prizes and motorbikes to our followers. We prepared a boat filled with winning cans. The cans are ready. Nick Oknia just arrived. The crowd's getting hyped. The event can start. The crowd is going wild. This is insane. The participants are starting to come in. They're picking a can randomly. They're opening it. Then people are starting to win. These people won a motorbike. Others were winning cash prizes, $20, $30, $50, or even $100. Everyone is so happy. Stio. Huge thanks to everyone who joined us. You made it unforgettable. Stay tuned. There's